I talk about pre-wash scalp oiling literally all the time. It has transformed my hair, but I don't think we talk enough about hair oiling like on your mids and your ends. I actually oil my hair from my chin down every single night, and one of my favorite oils is the Fable and Mane Maha Mane Smooth and Shine oil. A little goes a really long way. Like for my hair, all of this hair, I use max 2 drops. My hair gets really, really dry. The ends sometimes feel like they're just gonna fall off. So this really protects the ends, hydrates, and gives me that lovely like softness and protection that I really need. And if you have fine hair, literally use 1 drop. Like you do not need a lot of this oil. This oil is actually so good for frizz that I keep a tiny travel bottle in my handbag at all times because the humidity is crazy right now. Like it's summer, it's hot, it's humid. I get frizzy, so I keep a bottle on me all the time just to tackle frizzies on the go, and it's amazing. Like I said, you only need a couple drops. So let me know if you try it and let me know if you love it.